for a trembling sky, where angels wrote your name and forgot to say goodbye. Sunday morning pews still hold the heat of your prayer. I sit where you sat, breathing mercy in the air. Preacher talks of rivers, washing sins away, but these tears keep baptizing yesterday. Hymns rise like incense, but they can't mask the flame of a love that still burns, though it never speaks your name. Carry me on the wings of that old refrain. Bury me in the hallelujah of your name. If heaven holds mercy, let it fall like morning rain, till trembling turns to dancing, and my heart forgets the chain. I light a candle where your shadow once stood. Wax runs like the time that I misunderstood, but even in darkness, a small flame still sings. Every flicker